Aiden, that's not
He gets
nice.
his feet too far apart.
Yay! Uh-oh.
Push his feet together.
Uh-oh. Yay! There you go. Oh, no. Come on.
You're just trying, aren't you?
Yay! Go ahead, walk, buddy. Yay, go ahead.
He can
Oh.
like push his legs together or something. I think
He was
he's
doing fine before. He was standing up on his own and walking. Yay! There we go. Come on, buddy. Where are you going? When he does something, he like throws his hands up in the air like, look at me, yay, ta-da. You're going to walk into the door. Uh-oh.
What to say to him? What he's saying?
Look at himself.
Ta-da. Go ahead, Buster. You can do it.
You can do it, Red.
Yay.
You made a mess in my closet.
I wasn't in your closet.
Oh, yes, you were. You got the bag out one, and then you got sneakers.
No, I was not in your closet.
Yes, you were.
Carrie, the bag was on top. I just took it out. I didn't go through your closet at all. And sneakers, I looked like this and I didn't see them. And then I remembered they were in Mommy's room.